your story again, Caitlin.
That easel right here, this beautiful easel, I'm gonna get it because I always get my way. Wanna know why? I'm a fucking princess. Pink hair, Fender shirt, pink shirt. I have a guitar at home. It's not a Fender, it's just an Ovation, but still, it's a guitar. I get my way. Gotta wait for her to get out of that trying out room. I will get her into getting me it because I'm a fucking princess. I got a tiara at home. Yeah.
Why are you a fucking princess, Caitlin?
That.
Because you have pink hair?
Yeah.
You suck that lollipop.
It's not a lollipop, it's sugar on a stick.
Sugar on a stick. Really? Well, suck that sugar on a stick.
I have been. You know that.
You're ruining my video.
I know.
Alright, goodbye, Caitlin.
Bye-bye.
Caitlin, did you get it?
Yeah. I told you I get my way now, come on.
Okay.
No, don't me.
I'm filming you. We're...
Yeah, just to prove it, we'll ask my mom.
Alright. Hey, Lori.
No, that's Mommy,
Lori.
in fact, I am getting this, right?
Yeah.
See, I told you.
See the basket she has? That would be cute for your makeup.
That would be cute. Alright, hang that thing up now.